Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I'm going to show you a very quick tutorial on how to sort out your sound in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get straight into it. As you can see, I have one of my old videos up here. And let's say I want to adjust the sound. First, let's go to volume. So you want to right click on the video. This drop down menu will appear. Head on down to audio gain. And then you'll have these. When you click on it, all of these will be 0. Mine's 10 because I've already done it. But essentially, what you want to do is adjust your gain. So if your video is coming in too quiet, you want to up the gain. If it's too loud, you want to lower the gain. It's literally just going to change the volume. But bear in mind, the higher you get it and the lower you get it, from 0, it's going to start to sound robotic and a bit fake. But let's keep that at 0, just for the sake of it. Now, once that is done, there is another thing you can do. You can go into your effects panel. Your effects panel will either be up here on the right or it'll be down here on the left on this sort of drop down menu here. If you don't have an effects panel, simply go to Window, Effects, and just make sure it's ticked and it'll pop up. So, I'm already in it at the moment, but let's just show you how to go into it. Your effects panel's here, audio effects, noise reduction, restoration. So you have all of these effects here. You have a de-hummer, de-noiser, and de-reverb. These are all similar, pretty much, in the way their layout works, but let's show you. Let's add all 3 of them onto this video now. De-noise and de-reverb. Now head up into Effect Controls whilst your video is selected. Again, if this isn't here, head up to Window, Effect Controls, make sure that's ticked. But here we go. Scroll all the way down. You can see we have them now. De-noise, de-hummer. Oh, I've got 2 de-noises in there. Let's just get rid of this one very quickly. Now we've got all the 3. De-reverb, de-noise, de-hummer. Automatically, these are going to do their thing. But if you want to change the individual parameters, you can do. You can customize your sound on all 3 of them. And again, it's just going to make your audio sound that much better. And that is literally it. That's a really quick and easy way how to sort out your sound in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Cheers.